It's time to go, and Shady Maple RV is ready to get you there. Family vacations and weekend excursions with friends just got sweeter with this quad slide travel trailer in tow. You'll love the front master bedroom with a queen bed slide out, large wardrobe, plus washer, dryer prep. You might also like to add the optional TV in the bedroom to enjoy a movie before falling asleep. The dual entry bath adds residential home comfort with a fully enclosed glass shower. Head to the main living area to relax on the hide-a-bed sofa by the fireplace or prepare lunch at the kitchen island. The extra rear private bedroom includes a slide-out for more space, a Murphy bed 74-inch sofa for versatility, and plenty of wardrobe storage. On the outside, there are 2 power awnings for convenience and added outdoor living, plus solid step entry steps for a sturdy entrance into the trailer. With any Rockwood signature fifth wheel or travel trailer by Forest River RV, you will enjoy superior construction that includes laminated white fiberglass sidewalls, a radius roof with vaulted interior ceilings, plus radiant foil insulation and an enclosed underbelly for use in all types of weather. Some convenient exterior features include a power tongue jack, a torsion axle, rubber ride suspension, and a tire pressure monitor system with a monitor for added safety. The interior offers a one-touch, one-control panel with WeRV app control for lights, awning, slides, water heater, and more, and the Air 360 omnidirectional antenna with Wi-Fi prep lets you work while away from home if needed. You will also appreciate the interior vaulted ceilings, residential soft close doors and drawers, solid surface kitchen countertops, and designer kitchen backsplash. Come see us today or visit us online at shadymaplerv.com.